Hello, my name is Denise Reyes, and I am going to show you how to use your Gmail once you make your account. So once you make your account, it should be cleared, of course, but right now I did have it for a few years. But let me just show you the rundown of your Gmail. So at first start, you're going to have your little inbox. Your inbox shows you how many emails has been sent to you. So at the moment I have 9,432. That number is going to be of how much you have. And your start, it's going to be if you get an important email and if you want to remember her, you're going to click on start and you can see all of your files that you have it. Like, if you want to star them, you could just click on the little start and it will be in that little file. For snooze, your snooze section on your Gmail is going to be dedicated for emails that you don't really want to see anymore, or you could have like a time off on it if they keep on popping off so many things and you don't want to have your phone or laptop ringing up notification over notification. So next off, we are going to have your important folder. Your important folder is going to be kind of like the start, how you want to have certain emails saved. So for your important one, I like to add in more of my schoolwork, mainly my schoolworks and like stuff from like banks and things. And then sent mean it's going to be all of the emails that you send to people, to little subscriptions, down to anything that you sent, it will pop up here. If you want to delete them, you can always just press that little box to select, and then it lets you select them, and you could trash them if you want. I like to keep them just in case something doesn't go through, and I can be able to read it and send it through. And categories is you could put all of your email categorizes certain emails to go into what they mean. Like little social could be all of your social media, it would go into there. The updates would be any type of updates that Gmail has provided or within your phone. Forms would be any attentional, like, I would just say like, how can I put this, like grocery stores, like other like items that you subscribe to and you want to see. And promotions would be like kind of like you spam in a way, but it shows you like little discounts and stuff from shoppings and things that you do find. And the more tab would be all of your mail, your spam. Your spam, you should delete them and trash them, but if you're like me, you tend to forget. Your trash, whatever you throw away, it would stay there just in case you make a mistake. If you throw away an important email that you need to save, it would be there. And then you can make your own little tags if you want certain aisles in certain different ways. And to make an email, you do compose, type in the person you're going to address it to, do the title of your email, and then you can write down whatever you want. You can add little emojis, do any attachment from your place, and add pictures and add anything from your Google Drive. Once you do that, you can send it. If you don't want to send it and you change your mind of sending the email, you could just trash her. And then once you send it, you will be finding it on your send email. And then if you don't finish your email, they could always save it for you in your drafts. So I hope you did find this somewhat useful. Thank you.